Hi everyone, this is me Venu and right now I'm at Padao restaurant in the Hargar and it's one of the oldest restaurant which has been many years and it's been one of the famous and top rated restaurant in the Hargar and it's located at the hilltop in the Hargar. So I think you must come. I think this is a fabulous restaurant. It opens right from morning and it's it's on till 10:30. So anytime whenever you want, whenever you are visiting Jaipur in Rajasthan and you're coming to Nahargarh, so don't forget to especially coming to this place and enjoying an amazing food. It's a restaurant cum bar and definitely it's a must recommended place. Thank you. And this is on different layers, different floors. As you can see, the bar side is there, but you can have all the you can order it there. They can get you the food and everything on your table. So just look at the view again. Some people with me who are from the hotel and I think they know everything about this place and so let me just ask some questions to them. क्या नाम है आपका? ओके हाय, क्या आपका क्या नाम है? आपका? आपका? ओके तो गाइस कितने टाइम से है रेस्टोरेंट, कितना टाइम हो गया? 20 साल हो गया. ओके तो मीट क्या है, मतलब मीट किस लिए फेमस है?
के लिए और सिटी व्यू
के लिए फेमस है, सनसेट पॉइंट के लिए फेमस है और क्या क्या स्पेशल है? So as I said, it's a like restaurant cum bar and the view जो है शाम का जो व्यू है, स्पेशली जो सनसेट का टाइम होता है, it's an amazing time and even most I would say interesting part, right? When the evening is there, जब lightings on हो जाती है, जयपुर का जो best view है, one of the most amazing view. You can see from this place. It's located on the hilltop in Nahargarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur. So guys, definitely आपको आना चाहिए, at least try करना चाहिए. यहाँ से आपको अगर best view चाहिए जयपुर का, तो this is the place. All right.
यहाँ से आप हवा महल को, अल्बर्ट हॉल को और काफ़ी ऐसी जगह हैं जो आप यहाँ से डायरेक्टली देख सकते हो.
Yes, exactly. As he said, जैसे इन्होंने बताया, यहाँ से अगर आपको बेस्ट व्यू चाहिए, चाहे वो हवा महल हो या फिर जयगढ़ फोर्ट है और हवा महल है, मैक्सिमम मॉन्यूमेंटल प्लेसेस यहाँ से आपको ब्यूटीफुल प्लेसेस दिख जाएंगे यहाँ से. और क्या फेमस है बताओ? स्नैक्स सबसे फेमस है और डांस वगैरह मैंने सुना होता है अभी कंटिन्यू. जो राजस्थानी टिपिकल डांस है यहाँ का, that's one of the most famous, one of the important thing here. So I think on time, occasionally it happens. Nice music is there, the Rajasthani dance is there and a lot of other activities are here. So I think this place is must recommended for all of you. Okay, so इन्होंने जैसे बताया यहाँ का जो हिस्ट्री है वो शो करता है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द रियली इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेस. ओके गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. हाय, उधर क्या क्या है आपके पास स्पेशल? धीरे धीरे. भेलपुरी, पानी बताशे, दही बताशे, मोमोज, आइसक्रीम, पतासी. Okay. I was talking to one of the person who works here, and he told me if I'm gonna be here during the Diwali time, the lightings makes it fantastic. The lightings will make you really crazy. How beautiful the view becomes during the Diwali timing. Alright, so I have a musical guy with me, a guy who really sings well and he performs at Padao restaurant. Brother, क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद इदरीस खान तो just
So there is a musical performance at Padao restaurant from 6 to 10 p.m.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे
I would say this is like an authentic view. You can see the whole
पहली बार मिले हैं
you can see the whole city. Look at my background. Isn't it beautiful? I still remember a couple of years before I was in Malaysia. I was there on the top restaurant, but still that was not even that beautiful. And now I realize really we have our own. A lot of places are in India